Hello everybody, and welcome back to 5 Minute Crypto, the channel where we cover the most important crypto news in just 5 minutes, back again with another crypto update. Here is 5 things that you need to know about the market this week: Biden, big banks, central banks, bond yields, and Bitcoin. Now, for most of us, Bitcoin, of course, sounds like the most important out of all of these. However, Biden's $1.9 trillion stimulus package, of course, also spiked a lot of enthusiasm, albeit not that much in crypto. It's just very interesting to see how the dollar really makes a lot of crazy jumps and a lot of crazy, goes to a lot of crazy places when we're talking about stimulus. However, this one did not do too much for Bitcoin, which was interesting to a lot of us. The 5 points they mention are inauguration of President-elect Joe Biden, pumping up the reflation rate, inflation to central banks, Yuan, banks, oil services, and big tech, old and new, report fourth quarter results, and don't forget Bitcoin, no one else has. Now, out of all of this, I think the most important part of this is just the fact that Joe Biden could be coming in right now. He could appoint a couple of crazy people to the SEC, and that could really change the crypto game. On a different end, the stimulus, which could be coming in, could also have a very big deal, or could be a very big deal on the crypto prices, and of course what the inflation rate is going to be doing. And on a different end, the US bonds may play a very pivotal role. They have done so already, but for right now, who knows? Chainlink. Futures open, interest hits all-time high of $287 million. The open interest on Chainlink futures contracts has hit an all-time high of $287 million. Chainlink has just hit an all-time high of 22.67 cents. That's again $22. And Chainlink has also had the highest day of active addresses in 5 months. Link has the potential to keep moving up, but its bullishness is hinged on Bitcoin's stability, and I'm going to agree with this partially. I would say Chainlink is very much, attached to Ethereum, since we're talking a lot of DeFi projects who are wanting to integrate Chainlink's Oracle, of course, and from that perspective, it is also very much hinged to Ethereum, which is very hinged to Bitcoin, and that's why the connection definitely does work. Now, for Chainlink also, the prices are going pretty damn crazy. I would say Polkadot is just a little bit better, but Chainlink is also, as I said, pretty damn crazy. Now, there's also some people who are very fearful of Zeus Capital, who said the lawsuit would be coming. However, I don't think that's really holding people back. Then, a man offered $72 million to search for hard drive with 7,500 Bitcoins on there. I already talked about this on DustTBC, but I thought I should also quickly tell it here for all the people that do not watch that channel. There's one guy in South Wales, or at least South Wales, or whatever. There's one guy in the freaking UK somewhere, 35 years old, and he threw away a hard drive in 2013 containing 7,500 Bitcoins. At that point, I believe he did not know, or he did not think it was possible to get his thing back. In 2013, the value of this was, quite a lot still, because I think it was like $200 per Bitcoin, maybe between $60 and $400. I don't know, something just pretty damn high. However, right now, it is almost $300 million, or at least $250 million. So he now plans, at least he offered, to give 25% of that total. I would say maybe he's willing to argue towards 50%, because if he doesn't get the support, he's never going to get it. So I think I would even give away 75%, maybe even 80%. And at that point, I would kind of say like, okay, let's just not get it. No, never mind. I would even be willing to give away 99% if I could get that disc back. If I had to pay the government, for example, or pay the county, council, whoever, 99% of the money to get, I don't know, let's say $3 million, I'd still do it, because if I don't, I'm never going to get that money back, right? So he threw away the wrong USB. Right now he's very much regretting it, and he's paying, or at least he's wanting to pay $72 million. He also got some hedge fund or something like that to give him a loan, basically, to get this fixed. But I personally have no idea how you could ever find a USB in all of this. But maybe that's just me, all right? Maybe even with a freaking $180 million operation, you're still not going to get your USB. I personally would think, but hey, it's a thing. And then Iran with 8%, Iran somewhere with 8% of total Bitcoin, only USA and China hold more. The cost of mining 1 Bitcoin in Iran is around $1,300, and electricity prices had dropped to 0.02 per kilowatt hour. Very fun story. In the Netherlands, it's about 24 euro cents per kilowatt hour, and it's pretty interesting to see that in Iran, it's only $2 cents. So mining Bitcoin there is only $1,300. Very interesting. Digital Currency Group announces a new Bitcoin mining pool in the United States. There's a lot of mining going on. Personally, we're also getting into mining a little bit because it's just so ridiculously good right now. However, yeah, electricity in the Netherlands is so extremely expensive, so you got to move to a different country in the sense that you got to put your equipment somewhere else, but that is not a problem to us. You know, that's going to be fine. Hopefully you all enjoyed this little video. Make sure you press the like button and subscribe because there's no ads, and I'll see you guys again in another video.